Okay, hello fellow pilots. I got a question a few times now about putting the 3D printed whistles that I sell online into their planes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a little short video. I have to put whistles into my F-16, 90 mil F-16 over here. So I'm going to dig it out and I'll go ahead and put them in for you so that you can see exactly what it takes. It's pretty simple, maybe about a 20-minute job. Let the glue dry, go fly. We have a 90 millimeter F-16. Here's the stock sound. See, if we get a whistle at a certain height, that's without it, that's with it. That's two whistles. Okay, here we have the EDF cover, and we'll take out two whistles. And what we'll try to do is we'll mount them. We know that the edge of the fan, back of the fan, is right along this lip here. I don't know if you can see it, but we're going to mount the whistles in here. There's a lot of this is very thick, so the whistles will fit. We also know that they have to stick down according to the fan, the way it blows, the airflow, almost flush, maybe about 1/8 of an inch. Each plane is going to be different. It might stick down, you know, 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch, couple millimeters. Each plane is different. You're going to have to find the height for each fan unit, and the way the airflow is, they'll just sound better at certain heights off of the EDF. I've also made these whistles, I don't know if you can see them, but they have an arrow. The arrow faces the incoming air. So you mount both arrows towards the fan, at the back of the fan, and you get your heights, and you glue them in. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to mount them in this EDF cover, just back behind the line where the end of the fan is. I'll cut them out. I'll just press them in a little bit, get my little circle, and I'll cut them out, and I'll come back and show you. And I'll slide the top in. No whistle. You can hear the difference as they get higher. So the longer whistle, which is the lower tone, has to be sunk in a little bit further. I'll go do that and come back. Okay, we have both whistles cut in now. You can see where I put them in. They're just a tad off the cover. And what I'm going to do is, let me move the camera over here. I'm going to put the cover back on. No whistles.